Follow these steps to clear the cache on iPhone. Let's get in. First, clear Safari cache and website data. For that, launch your settings. Scroll all the way down, navigate to the option Apps. Now, from the list of the apps, find Safari. After you find it, launch it. Now, scrolling down, you're gonna find the option Clear History and Website Data. Click on that. Now, clear App Cache. For that, head back. Go back to the main page of settings, navigate to the option General, click on iPhone Storage. In this page, you're gonna find all the apps that you have installed in your device. Most apps don't have a built-in cache clearing option, but you can upload them to remove temporary files. So launch the app, then click on the option Upload app, click on Upload app, click on Reinstall app. Next, clear cache in specific apps. Apps like Snapchat, Chrome, TikTok has clear cache option in it. Let's clear cache for Snapchat, launch it. Now click on the profile icon given at the top left corner. Click on the settings icon given at the top right corner. Scroll down. Click on the option Clear Data. Click on the option Clear Cache. Click on Clear. Likewise, you can restart your iPhone. A simple restart clears some cache and refreshes system memory. Press and hold volume up plus power, then slide to power off. Wait 30 seconds, then turn your iPhone back on. Next, reset network settings. For that, navigate to the option Settings. Head over to the option General, scroll all the way down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset Network Settings and go through the process. Next, delete unnecessary messages and media. iMessage and WhatsApp can store large amounts of cached data. So go to Messages and WhatsApp and delete all chats with large media files. Lastly, what you can do is perform a factory reset. If your iPhone is still slow after clearing cache, a factory reset might be the best option. Go to Settings, General, scroll all the way down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Erase all content and settings, back your data first, then proceed with the reset. Following these steps, your iPhone cache will be cleared. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.